Hey guys, Paul here with Eastwind SEO, and I have partnered with Schenectady SEO to bring you this video on some tips on how to improve your online presence. You spoke with Nathan yesterday about this video, and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to cover three things, and that's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. I have your website pulled up right here. It's a great looking website, really nice big picture here. You got your click to call right up top, which is always good. There might be room for a fill out form or contact form, or maybe a chat bubble that goes straight to either Messenger or your maybe text or something like that. Just another way to convert traffic. That's always going to work out better for you in the end. But as we move down, everything looks good. You have a well put together website. But I would definitely recommend more content. And the reason for that is Google is going to crawl your website, and they love content. They're going to go through all that content, and what they're looking for are keywords. So keywords are going to tell them about, your business, what you do, the areas you serve, the services you offer, and it's going to tell them that you are in fact an authority figure in that industry. It's also going to help them determine where they're going to place you within the Google search results. Now, that is also going to help you. Having those keywords in your content is going to help you show up more often for searches, because you are going to be relevant for the searches that people are searching for on Google, because you have those keywords. Now, a keyword we all know is something that somebody puts into Google as a search for a product or a service. So the more times you have those keywords in your content, the more chances you are going to show up for those search criteria. So if we move on to a Google search, I have right up here a basement remodel in Atlanta, Georgia. We are going to see ads at the top. Ads are a great way to gain clients. You can target a specific audience with ads and get your business in front of the people that you think are more likely to go with your services or products. So you can definitely see some really good results from ads. As we move down, we have the top three map pack right here. The top four is obviously a sponsored one, so you can get at the top. It's like ads, you're gonna have to pay for it. But this is your Google business profile. And to get your Google business profile showing up in that top three, you want to get it filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all of your business information. And you want to get into as many online directories as possible. That's going to be anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, so on and so forth. There are hundreds of online directories to get your business name into, and you're going to get citations back from that. So basically, the name of the game here is citations. You want to have more citations coming back to you than the people that are showing up in the top three, and that's going to get you up in that top three. Moving down from that, we have the organic search results. Definitely another place you want to be at the top of. We can see this innovative construction Atlanta showing up at the top. So we are going to look at what they are doing and how we can overtake them, compared to where you guys are at. So if we jump to a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it's just something that tells me how a website is performing, all the ins and outs, the traffic coming through. It helps me build a roadmap of what I need to do to gain more traffic, start ranking higher, overtake competitors, etc. So we have this UR and DR number right here, two important numbers that you want to pay attention to. The UR being a trust rating, or how trustworthy your website is in Google's eyes. DR being a power rating, or how powerful your website is. So basically, what you want to do is you want to have your backlinks coming from powerful referring domains that are relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites linking back to you. Those will come across as spammy in Google's eyes. That can hurt your numbers. As we can see, you have 182 backlinks coming from 35 referring domains. Your DR is sitting at a 0.8. You are at 22, so you could definitely work on your DR there. So you could definitely go out and get some quality backlinks coming back to you. That'll definitely help you out. You are being found for 47 keywords. and you are getting 80 traffic. And I just realized that this is actually not your guys' company. I do apologize for that. But we can go ahead and throw you in there real quick anyway. So basically, we're going to take a look also at this Innovative Atlanta and see what they're doing. I know that they are a bit of a bigger company, so they should have some good numbers coming back to them. They are also sitting at the top. So you guys look like you have a ton of backlinks coming back to you, but you're not getting much in the words of traffic. So if we take a look at these guys, they're getting a decent amount of traffic. This looks like a back page too that's showing up. So if we went to their main page, you might see a bit of difference there, and they're probably getting all that power pushed back. So that's probably where they're getting all that from. Yeah, there we go. See, there's a big difference in backlinks, referring domains, and organic traffic. But again, that is also a service page. So that's another thing that you can do. You can create service pages to show up in the specific areas that you want. So those kind of branch out depending on what areas you want to show up in. Anyway, either way, you can go through their backlink profile, because 9 times out of 10, if they're in the same service industry as you and you go through their backlink profile, and you can definitely see what backlinks they have that are working for them, they're gonna work for you as well. So you can go out and grab those same backlinks. And we can see that they are getting a lot of traffic and they are being found for a lot of keywords. So that another reason why I stress the importance of having those 1,500 words of content on your homepage, because that allows those keywords to be found more often in searches, which is going to have you guys show up more often as people search for those keywords. So you're going to start getting a lot more traffic to your website. Also with your Google business profile, you want to get that filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all your business information. Get that into as many online directories as possible and start showing up in that top 3. And then work on your backlink profile. You do have a ton of backlinks coming back to you and a lot of referring domains, but you do have a low DR. You have a really good UR, but you want to get some power getting pushed back to you through those backlinks. So those are the 3 tips I have for you. I hope this information was helpful. You can definitely implement this yourselves, or you could always reach out to us as well. You can definitely get some results from these tips just by implementing those 3 tips. And again, we do thank you for taking the time to check out this video. We really do appreciate it, and go ahead and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.